Talk about a freaking throwback. This pair of shoes actually originally released back in 2000, and it's back. This is near enough identical to the original collaboration, so it's a pretty big deal. Today we're taking a look at the Nike and Stussy Huarache in the Desert Oak colorway. So we have the original box. This is the same box that they used on the collaboration pair from back in 2000, I believe. You can see all over red, there's no logos on the top. You just get this kind of lined gray and olive tone stripes down on the underneath. So this is the size tag. Let me give you a little look, but of course we're here for the shoes, so let's slide it open. You're met with some special paper. It's got a bunch of logos, limited edition, of course the Huarache logo as well. Give you a little look at that. We're not here for the paper, we're here for the shoes. So let me pull these out. Here we go. I'm excited. The Stussy and Nike Huarache. And here it is. Again, if you don't remember the original collaboration that took place back in 2000, this is near enough identical. The same colorway. Again, it released in two different colorways. There's this one, which is the Desert Oak. In my opinion, this is the better colorway. And then there was also, I think it was called the Olive Green colorway. Back then, they released two different colorways, which was the Olive Green and the Desert Oak. And we got them both back in their original colorways and original form. So of course, this is going to resonate with a lot of people from back then. Stussy released both colorways through their website on February the 12th. However, this Desert Oak colorway was the one that was available through Nike sneakers. Stussy kept that olive green one as a Stussy exclusive, which was only available through their website. Luckily, I managed to grab a pair on Nike sneakers when these released on February the 18th. The retail price goes for £115 here in the UK or $130 out in the US. This Desert Oak colorway is a really nice mixture of kind of earth tones, some brown on the upper as well, and I think this one is just going to be a lot more wearable. Now again, if you haven't tried this, I think kind of the biggest surprise you're going to find is just how comfortable this pair of shoes is. It's not incredibly complicated in terms of the upper or the materials that you find. In fact, it's pretty simple. The base layer comes in a very silky feeling kind of mesh material. You find that on the toe box. It feels really, really good to touch. Then you find it just peeking through underneath the suede on the lateral and the medial side. Again, this kind of comes in an almost beige color and again, just feels really, really good to hand. And up on the top of the shoe, you'll kind of see in this almost grayish olive tone is this spongy neoprene material, and again that kind of starts down at the bottom, kind of wraps up towards the tongue and around the ankle area. It feels really good to hand, and there's plenty of perforation holes that are kind of hidden by this cage. The cage is made out of a really, really soft buttery suede material that you also find around the mudguard. Again, this comes in a kind of brown color, which I think matches with the shoe super, super well. The laces are attached to that cage, so that's going to be how you tighten it, because pretty much this shoe is almost like a one-piece upper. Now that's a pro because it genuinely feels like this shoe just hugs your foot, which is great for comfortability. However, this ankle area, it doesn't have that much give to it, so it does have some sizing things which we will get to in just a little bit. Now, inside this sock liner, it's a nice silky feeling material, almost a neoprene kind of spongy feel to it. If you take a look at the top of this, I guess what you would call a tongue, you can see in red there is the Huarache logo just kind of sewn in on the top, and that comes in a kind of texturized rubber material. Connected to the suede cage, you find, I guess, the iconic Huarache strap, which moves around the back of the shoe. This comes in a rubber material. You can see it starts off in a dark olive tone and then moves to almost a kind of worn down semi-translucent color. I say the strap is iconic because I think that got a lot of attention. I remember back in the day there was loads of memes going around of this looking like a sneaker croc, obviously because crocs have that strap that goes around the back of your shoe. However you look at it, I think this shoe looks really, really good, especially on foot. It's just a really well done shoe, and I haven't even told you about how comfortable it is yet. The midsole is surprisingly squishy. It feels incredible underfoot. Let me tell you, this shoe is very, very comfortable. I think it's an awesome mix of the materials and the squishy midsole that just make it such an easy wear. Not to mention, it's pretty lightweight, so you're getting an all-over, really, really comfortable, I'd say daily sneaker that you're not gonna have any issues wearing for hours on end. However, there is one caveat to it being a kind of sock-like fit, and that is the sizing. These are pretty snug. If you haven't tried these and you haven't pulled the trigger on these yet, I would definitely recommend going at least a half size up. They're pretty snug, especially again around this ankle area, because there's just not that much stretch to this kind of entry point into the shoe. But when you get the sizing right, these are incredibly comfortable. I mean, to be fair, I did get my true to size, and even then they are super, super comfortable. I'm a huge fan of this sneaker. It feels great on foot. It's very easy to wear. I think it's good looking. Of course it is a little bit of a different design. I mean, obviously Huaraches were a huge thing back in the day. I mean, personally, I was like 4 years old when this original collaboration came out back in 2000. But I do remember Huaraches being massively popular and everybody having a pair, and these just being a really big deal. So seeing these come back is a really cool thing for me personally, and I definitely like this one and super glad I managed to grab a pair. Overall, I think this is a great pair of shoes. If you're looking for a shoe that's at a pretty reasonable price point, I think it's a solid daily pair of shoes. But hey, I want to know what you guys think of the Stussy and Nike collaboration on this Huarache. Thank you guys so much for coming through, hanging out with me for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one. But until then.